Welcome to my presentation on the indefinite integral or the antiderivative. My name is Antonio Castillo and I am from a school called General Francisco J. Mujica. First, let's talk about things we already know. Here you can see a very well-known derivative, a really easy one. So if I were to take the derivative of the expression x squared, you just take the exponent and that becomes the new coefficient. You multiply it times the old coefficient, in this case is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. And then you take the variable 2x, then the new exponent will be 1 less than the old one, so the result is 2x. But what if we wanted to go the opposite way? We want to start with the 2x. 2x is the derivative of what? We want to find that what? You might be asking, how can you know if you have an indefinite integral? Well, all you have to know is when you have this squiggly line that looks like an S and this dx and then something in between, then they want you to figure out what the indefinite integral or the antiderivative is. So we can say that y is equal to the indefinite integral of 2x dx. We already know the answer. It will be x squared. But let's say it was x squared plus 1. The derivative is still 2x. And what about x squared plus 2? Right. It's 2x still. So x squared plus any constant will be 2x. And for any constant, we put a big C. So don't forget to put a big C there because any calculus teacher will mark it wrong if you forget to. Now that you know all the basics, let's go ahead and use formula number 2. Formula number 2 states integral of a dv equals a integral of dv. So here we have the first example. Integral of a cubic dx. The first step is to move the a. In this case a is a cubic. So it'll be a cubic integral of dx. And then this step is really important. Instead of using integral of dx, we are going to add in parentheses x plus c and remove the integral. Therefore, it will be a cubic in parentheses x plus c. And then the final result when removing the parentheses is a cubic x plus c. And there you go, you have the result. So I'm going to show to you guys one more example. It says integral of 2b cubic c dx. Just as we did in the last example, we're going to move the 2b cubic c before the integral. So it'll be like 2b cubic c integral of dx. And then let's just replace the integral of dx with, in parentheses, x plus c. 2b cubic c in parentheses x plus c. And then the final result when removing the parentheses will be 2b cubic c x plus c. There you go. You have the final result. Thank you for watching. I hope it was useful for you and have a nice one.